Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna teach you how to do this pattern or the curve like this one on top of the door lah. Okay, so this is considered a door type lah. Or never mind, we'll draw this. Okay, simple. You just open a hole first for the door. Okay, maybe we come to this one. Open the hole first. Drag this one. Okay, so you can adjust the door height. Then we add another, this one consider 700. We add another 700 here. Untick the portion, add another 700. Okay, just add 700, enter. Okay, maybe this one change it to 800, enter. Okay, then we come to the room. So obviously we'll see something like this. We got two door, right? So this one I also add up. Okay, two door here, 960. So I make it 1800 lah. Okay, two door. Okay, for two door, then we do a pattern like this. Okay, like the Muslim pattern. A very simple one. Okay, so after you open the hole, right, then we're gonna do the door. The door is very simple. You can just the door is very simple. We just go for system cabinet. Okay, so one panel here lah. Okay, just drag any panel lah. But usually I like use this one lah. This one or this one also can. Okay, so I drag this one. Okay, well, we'll just adjust the panel. So this one, the Y I will give 100. Okay, 100 Y. Then the depth here, no, sorry, this one is 1800 the Y, and this one will be the depth 100. Okay, 100. Okay, the height is the thickness lah, but that doesn't matter. Okay, so now I press X to move it, rotate it first. Later, easy convenience for me to plug in. Okay. So I'm gonna do the pattern. This one I'm gonna do the pattern like this. Okay. So I'll just do the pattern. This one each add 100 lah. I will give it 100 each. So I'll just add another 200. Okay. Then I'm gonna cut the surface. Okay. So I just exit first. Okay. Click on B, board selection. Select the panel. Right click. Go to this one called actually you don't need, actually you can come to here also. You see the point here, here you can fillet also. So maybe I'm fillet it. See, you can do the pattern. So this one is not correct. I will just use back the right angle, point to fillet. This one should be correct. So let me check again. It's different, almost like this lah. 150, maybe I put 100. Okay, this one also. So this one here, 0.2 is the fillet number. Then I will come to 0.4, 0.4 fillet and opposite. Okay, right angle back, 0.3 fillet, 0.3 fillet. Okay, make it 100 only. Okay. So after done already, then I'll just rotate it. Okay, just press X. Okay, click on it. So you can use green color to rotate this time. Okay. X, green color, rotate it 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay, then press Z to move it. Press Z to move it. So I just move it in here. Okay, then move again. Then move it up. This is how you create the thing by yourself lah. Or if the thing are not appear, you may need to create by yourself lah. So this one, the wall thickness is 150, right? Never mind, I'll see everything. Click on it. The thickness is the height. Okay, so 150, I add another 50, so I'll give it 200. That should be fine, something like this. Okay, I estimate lah. You follow your own dimension. Okay, so here I will do a panel. Simple panel. Just use back the same method. Drag the board out, and the panel should be this one. The height is Let me check the height first. Exit. Okay, check the height. 2800 minus 100, 2700. Okay, 2700. Okay, click on it. Same thing. I'll just change the depth. This time I change the depth. Okay, the depth I make it 10. No, the depth I make it 2007, or the height. Okay, so the width I'm gonna make it 100. 100. Yes, correct. 100. Okay. After that, we just rotate it. Simple as that. Control C. X. Press X. Rotate it 90 degrees. Okay. Press Z to move it. Z to move it here, or move it here. Just press Control lah. If you not follow your order, just press Control. Simple as that. Okay. Then you just move it up, or like this. Okay. Control V, you can copy one, then move to here. Or just copy one, move to the right side. Simple as that. Okay. To do the door, okay, we do the art shape first. This pattern, this even simple. I will exim it as a door. This one as an art shape. Okay, so I'm just do like this. Okay, so we use another method lah. To do door, you can use banner, continuous banner, then use banner point also. So this one I use another method to do the door also. Okay, just use free modeling also can. So I'll just show you in case you don't know. Okay, so very simple for this. I got 100, 100 and 100 here. So I'll just draw a rectangle first. Follow here, draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Okay. Then offset it 100. Okay. So the line, this one, the one. Delete. Add back the line. This is the film one. I will start here. One exit and another one exit. Okay, so the line, this one, the surface, this one, door one, delete. Okay, because we got frame lah, as we know. Okay, I'll show you when I return. So you see here we cover this one frame done by the banner, this one I do free modeling. Either way also can are same. Okay, so now I'm going to draw the pattern. Draw the pattern. Okay, so this shall be the pattern, the customer one. Okay, so I'll roughly estimate it first. Draw a rectangle also. Okay, 670, 169. Okay, so 1596. So I type 1596, then tab, go to here. This one, remember, should be 700. 700. Okay, click it. So this one will be my door lah. I'll add one at the midpoint. My door should be here. Okay, I just add the line. I just add the line here. Then we can move it also. Click on it. Move it. Depends how many you want to move. So this line I will make it 600. So I add another one egg lah, or 80. Okay, add another 80. Move down 80. Okay. So here I draw a door. Draw a line in here. Midpoint. I'm gonna draw a door here. Okay, this one shall be my door lah. Right click exit. Okay. So this one shall be the curve lah you want. So the curve is very critical also. Never mind, we got this one called art shape. Okay, I'll come to here. Do the art somewhere like here, midpoint. Midpoint is here. Okay, I'll use this one to draw midpoint first. So this one start with the midpoint, start with here. measurement auxiliary. Okay, where's the midpoint? This is the midpoint. Okay, another one, another midpoint also. Here also draw another midpoint. Okay, and this one here, draw another midpoint here. 600. Okay, so we can draw something like this using art. Click here, then come to here, then you can do the art thing. So this one go in first, right? Go in first, and here should be midpoint also. Midpoint come to here. This one go out a bit. Okay, almost lah, something like this lah. You still need to draw by yourself lah, this thing. Okay, adjust by yourself. Sorry. Draw again. Okay. Agak-agak lah. 40 I give it 30 lah. 30. Okay. This one also here to here. Okay. Click it. Then 30. Okay. They're almost same lah. This one here to here. Make it something like this lah. Okay. So you can see this is the pattern, or as you can see, up to you how to draw only lah. Declare auxiliary. Okay, so you want to put what material also can. Okay, after you finish drawing, you just return now. Then you go find some material that you can use. Okay, maybe a solid wood material, or find something similar, dark color one. Okay, just drag. After you drag, just give it some time. It will look. Drag only. Okay. Just need some time to load. Okay, after you put the texture, then you put handle lah. For handle are very easy. You just type handle, then you may see all kind of handle that variable lah. Okay, for handle, just follow back lah, dot lah, or we just drag the dot one, just drag to here. Okay, move it up a bit, or go in front, the door handle. Okay, click on the handle, move it. Control V, you can copy one, then you can move it here also. Complete. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.